what I snagged at the Black Friday deals this month. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Now, having used a Google Pixel 8 Pro for the last 12 months, I'm really curious to see how this will outperform the Pixel. So let's get down to the unboxing and I'll take you through the feature list. The box, as you can see, is quite compact. It gets slimmer year on year. Who would imagine that a smartphone would come in a box as small as this? Now, for comparison, I'm going to put my Pixel 8 Pro on top so that you can see how compact that box is. Again, it's quite simplistic, as you can see. Monochrome picture, kind of like a silhouette on top. Samsung lettering on the sides, very, very small font on the back. Two safety seals, one on either side. Now I'm going to peel that off and take the phone out. That sound is always satisfying when you rip open the seals to unbox something. Okay, first a look at the inside. The user manual, the warranty, all nicely packed over there. Usually stuff that I never ever look at. That, as you can see, is a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That's the pin to extract the SIM tray. And there it is, the phone itself. Now this time I went for navy blue as a color. So let's take out the phone. Okay, can you see how that navy blue color shines in the light? It's quite pretty. You can see the three cameras. I'm going to gently take it out now. Let me lay the phone right here. So just examining it in detail, you can see how thin it is. I really like the rounded look these days, which is another reason why I did not go for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Ultra would have been too big for my liking, and it had two square corners. That's a real beauty, isn't it? Processor-wise, the S25 Plus has an octa-core CPU with a speed of 4.47 GHz. It's got a 6.7-inch main display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, and that's Quad HD+. The screen is dynamic AMOLED 2X with a color depth of 16 million and a max refresh rate of 120 Hz. The rear camera, there are three of them, 50 megapixels, 10 megapixels, and 12 megapixels. The cameras are autofocus. They've got an optical zoom of 3x, digital zoom of up to 30x. The front camera, on the other hand, has a resolution of 12 megapixels. The inbuilt storage is 256 gigabyte. The phone is dual SIM, and it supports a nano SIM and an eSIM, which is great because I'll be shifting my eSIM over from the Google Pixel 8 Pro onto the S25 Plus. USB interface is Type-C. The weight is 190 grams. The dimensions, it's got a height of 158.4 millimeters, a width of 75.8 millimeters, and a thickness of 7.3 millimeters. The battery is non-removable and has got a capacity of 4,900 milliampere hours. Well, Samsung will provide software support until the 31st of January 2032, which is for the next 7 years. Let me gently peel off the protective film. That's a thick film. I've never seen that kind of film on other smartphones in the past. And now you can see the screen itself. And along with the navy outer border, it looks really slim and compact. But just to put the size in perspective, I'm going to keep alongside the S25 Plus my Google Pixel 8 Pro. And now you can see how slim the S25 Plus really is. It's a really compact phone. Now, to protect the S25 Plus from any sort of damage, I have purchased the usual accessories. So a cell phone case from JetTech, and that's a clear case with a MagSafe ring on the back. And this here is the tempered glass screen protector. So I've got the JetTech cell phone case, clear with a MagSafe ring in it. So this also is bought in navy color. Oh wow, that's the case. It's got a translucent back, and that's the MagSafe ring. I think this color fits the S25 in navy quite well. That's a very good match, isn't it? I'm going to slip on the case now. Wait, it's quite easy to put on. There, how does that look like? And I still love the rounded corners of the S25, which is now accentuated by the case. And I think there's about zero point 0.7 millimeters of a lip that protects the cameras, and the same applies on the screen as well. So if you place your phone face down like this, it doesn't cause the screen to rub on the surface. Let's turn it on and see how we migrate files from my Google Pixel. That's got an almost Apple feel to it, the way the welcome screen comes on with various languages. Select my language. English. I agree to the end user license agreement. Easy setup with another device, Galaxy or Android device. Scan the QR code with your old phone, and you can see that on my Google Pixel, I get a message, set up Galaxy S25 Plus, and that makes it a whole lot easier. Connecting this may take a few moments. Okay, let the two phones talk to each other. Scan the QR code on your Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's scan the QR code. Continue setup on your new device. Keep both devices on and close to each other until setup is complete. This is what I love about transferring from one Android phone to another. It's so stress-free and straightforward. Now it's connecting to my home Wi-Fi. Service provider setup. Your phone needs to restart to set up features and services from your service provider. Okay, let's restart. Now I've got the option to transfer the SIM from my old phone to the new phone. This is awesome. Let me just transfer the SIM. Copy apps and data. We use the Smart Switch app to copy your apps and data from your old device. Okay, so it wants me to install Smart Switch on my Google Pixel. Doing that right now. I scan the QR code once again for the Smart Switch. Connecting to transfer your data. Connected to Galaxy S25 Plus. Transfer's done, and the S25 Plus is organizing the transferred data. The phone has been installed and it's ready to be used.